In this video, we will be showing you a practical guide in how you can support your child with addition following our maths calculation policy. Here we have place value grid with place value counters. This is their concrete part of the understanding. Here we have 1,643 at 1,422. Children will also be using exchanging as well in year 4 and build on from their understanding from year 3. So here we have 600 and 400. Many children would have already recognised that we will need to exchange in the hundreds column. However, we will start with the ones. 1, 2, 3, add 1, 2. So 3 add 2 is 5. We have 5. Now we will add the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we have 60. Now we will add the hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. 600 add 400 makes 1,000. We therefore need to exchange by adding another 1,000 and removing our hundreds. This now makes 3,000. And we have 0, hundreds, and 60 and 5. Therefore, our answer, if we were to use our place value grid, is 3,065. 3,065. As in year 3, children will then build on to drawing pictorial diagrams to represent the working out. Here we have 1,300 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1,376. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,376. Add 1,142. Children will add the ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to find the total. Next, we need to add the tens columns. So, looking at the tens column, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Therefore, we need to make an exchange. If we circle 10 tens, we can see that we have 1 10 left. Therefore, we have 1 10 left in our tens column. 10 tens need to then be exchanged for 100. So we put 100 under here because we've exchanged. So now we have the hundreds column. 100 add 100 add 100 is obviously 300. Add this one is 400. Add this one is 500. So we've therefore got 500. Finally, I add my thousands. 1,000 add 1,000 is 2,000. Therefore, I now have to add my total up to find my answer. 2,000 add 500 add 10 add 8 is 2,518. So my answer is 2,518. Finally, children will move on to the compact method. 6,973 add 1,242. Let's start with the ones. 3 add 2 is 5. 7 tens, meaning 70, add 4 tens, meaning 40, makes 110. Therefore, I need to make an exchange. I put my 10 in the tens column and I carry 100 underneath to make the exchange. Here I have 900, add 200, and I need to add the exchanged 100. So 900, add 200, add 100. 900 add 200 is 1100. Add next 100 is 1200 or 1200. Therefore, I need to make another exchange. I put my 200 here and I exchange my 1000 under here. Now I need to add my thousands column. 6,000, add 1,000, add another 1,000. 6,000 add 1,000 is 7,000. Add the other 1,000 is 8,000. Therefore, my answer is 8,215. In this example, we had to make 2 exchanges. In Year 5, children will follow the same procedure. However, they will move on to using tenths and hundreds. This is because they will be able to apply their understanding to in the context of measures or money. For example, here we have our hundreds column. Using our place value counters in the concrete part of our understanding, we see we have 1 2 hundredths plus another 2 hundredths. Therefore, we would put 4 in the hundredths column. Here we have 1, add another tenth, so we have 2 tenths. Therefore, the 2 will go in the tenths column. It's really important that children understand where the decimal point goes and that this is beyond 0. Here we have our ones. 1, 2, 2, add 1, 2, 3, 3. 2 add 3 is 5. Therefore, our answer is 5.24. Children will then proceed to using the standard method to add numbers, including those in the context of money or measures. Here we have £81.91 add £72.18. We have our hundreds column, our tenths column, our ones column and our tens column. 1 add 8 is 9. So 1 hundredth add 8 hundredths is 9 hundredths. 9 tenths add 1 tenth will make a whole, which means 1. Therefore, we will need to make an exchange. So we will have to exchange. Don't forget our decimal point and put our 1 underneath here. So here we have 1 add 2 add 1. So 1 add 2 is 3. Add the one we've exchanged becomes 4. Now we have 8 tens and 7 tens. 8 add 7 is 15. So 80 add 70 will be 150. Therefore, I need to make another exchange into my hundreds column. So I now have £154.09. In Year 6, children will build on this understanding and complexity by using larger numbers, including those in millions and those with several decimals.